Introducing Versius Plus. It is a fully robotic-assisted, modular, multi-arm surgical platform designed to give surgeons the freedom they have always wanted. Flexible port placement and instruments compatible with 5mm ports provide versatile access to the target anatomy. Powerful software records and maintains the port fulcrum, creating a virtual pivot point. The surgical team can adjust the adaptable robotic arms to gain consistent access to the patient without interrupting the clinical workflow, while the system preserves the virtual pivot point throughout the procedure. An open console keeps surgeons connected to the team and to the patient, enabling clear, natural communication.